This is for Year 11 Methods. It's the Chapter 3 2012 SAC. Question number 5. A busy soup kitchen in Fitzroy feeds homeless people each day. A worker noted the average number of lunches they served during 2011 in February was 80, April 85, June 180 and December 130. If January is 1, therefore December will be 12. Find a suitable model of the average number, round to 3 decimal places. So since I can round to 3 decimal places, that means that I can use stats. So I go into statistics, and I've already entered those 4 pieces of information. February is 80, so 2 is the February month, 80, April is 85, June is 180, and December is 130. And I've been told that it is a cubic. Find a suitable cubic model. So I will go calculate cubic regression. Okay. Interested in R squared. R squared is 1, so it's a perfect fit. And I've been told to round off the 3 decimal places. So negative 1.823, so negative 1.823 m cubed, plus 33.125 m squared, minus 145.208 m, plus 252.5. So there is my cubic model. I've called it soups with respect to months, where month numbers. Okay, so use your rule and round and the stated rounding. So use my rule to these 3 decimal places. Complete the table with the average month's numbers. Okay, rounding, complete the table with the average month's soup numbers. Okay, so I might go into graphs and tables, and I'll enter that rule as negative 1.823 x cubed. Now I must use x in graphs and tables because that's what, there's an answer there, I'll get rid of that answer. So 1.8 plus 33.125 x squared minus 145.208 x plus 252.5. Execute, that ticks it. Now I'm going to use the table function to come up with the numbers for me. So I wish to go up to 12 because there are 12 months, and each step is I'm going to have 1, so that will give me the values for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and now I look at the table and I make that full size. So January is 139. February is 80. March is 66. April is 85. May is 127. June is 180. July is 234. August is 277. September is 300. October is 290. November is 237. And December is 130. Okay, now notice that there are no values between 1 and 2. These are 12 related points. The domain, we accept it as a domain 1 to 12, meaning each of the months, and the range, the lowest was I think 66 and the highest is 300. So there's my lowest and there's my highest. So we accepted that as being the domain and range. However, technically they're not correct because they're intervals. This tells me every number that exists between 1 and 12. Technically, that's the domain. All of the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and the range should be all of the values. So 66, 80, 85, etc., etc., all the way up to 300 technically. So we really would accept either.